It's so beautiful. But I don't want to have it in bubble wrap. For these small paintings, I like these pouches, which are meant to be used if you move house to put your plates in. And they are just perfect to put small paintings in, because then they are nicely protected and you can slightly see through. So that's really just perfect. So it goes in here. The bubble wrap can be used for other things. All right, let's label the box so that we know what's in there. These are the labels I also use for exhibitions. And then you can put a little paper in. These are business card size. Here I have these papers I use for my paint swatches, which are a bit smaller, but that's fine. And then what I do is I put one of these labels on my box. And then we can write something that makes sense on the label. And then we know what's in there. And let's make a little smiley, because if you see smileys, that's always making you happy, doesn't it? So now I stick this in, and then we know what's gonna be in the box. And in these big IKEA boxes, they are really well stored. First of all, you can see what's in there. And secondly, you can take them, put them wherever you want to sort them. And I like that they have these lids, because I might store them just under our roof, and in case there's some water coming in at some point, I hope not, we had that a few years ago, you can always have problems with water or with whatever. And if water comes on them, it should just go around, because there's the lid, then it flows over and goes. I think the paintings are really, really well protected in there. And I want my paintings to be protected. I had several times in our artist networks that professional artists told us that there was a flood or problems with the water pipes, and many paintings were damaged in these cases. So I make sure to protect my finished paintings. Yeah, that's why I love these IKEA boxes for putting washed clothes in or finished paintings. Both works perfectly well. Alright, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a lovely day, bye bye!